Hey guys, so I'm back with another video of Carl's Garage. So it's been a while since I made a video. Actually, I'm making today's video because my car suffered some damage on Sunday. I was in a car accident. It wasn't my fault. I was driving north on a highway. I'm not going to use any bad words, but some bad person was speeding. It was raining. Some bad person decided to speed and smash right into me. So I'm driving straight, and here in Houston, they have a lot of 4-lane highways. So I was driving on the, not the slowest lane all the way to the right, but the second slowest lane. Just driving, I was listening to Chameleonaire, just minding my business, about 10:25 at night. Next thing you know, boom, people drive really fast here. And a guy sped by me. He said that he lost control in a water puddle and hit me. Long story short, the reason why I'm here making this video and showing you guys the damage to my car is because he lied to his insurance company. The police, when they came, they stated that, based off of his story, they stated that they couldn't blame fault. I deal with his insurance company. They say that he's now saying that he didn't do it, that I bumped into him. So I'm pretty good at body work, so I took this as an opportunity to do a series on fixing my Kia Optima. Actually, I already had some big plans for this car. I want to get some new wheels. I want to get some new wheels. I want to debadge it. It's a 2015. Whoa. Let's drop that ISO. Oh, you know what? Let's not drop it because I don't want to show my license plate. Let's drop that ISO. Okay. Okay, sorry. Yeah, there we go. Little camera trick. Drop that ISO. So I don't want to show my license plate, but let's make sure it's blocked. Anyway, so yeah, I want to debadge it. And I want to look at, I guess I'll take this opportunity. Okay, we're gonna up the ISO back so we can see. I want to debadge it. I'm going to stay with white, but I think I'm going to go with a pearl white. I think I'm going to go with a pearl white. Not paint. I'm not going to paint it because I already blacked out the windows. I have my private investigation license here in the state of Texas, as well as a few other licenses. So this really helps whenever I'm working on cases. But I want to wrap it a pearl white, a really shiny pearl white. That I think that'll go good with the black windows as well as the blacked out wheels. But as you see, this is the damage. And see, you know, I can go to, my insurance company, but I choose not to because I don't want to make a claim on something that I can fix and then they jack up my insurance rates. With that being said, this right here is a point of impact, which they've yet to send out an adjuster. So, you know, sometimes life gives you lemons and you got to make lemonade. Actually, right here, as you see, this is where he knocked off my mirror, which I have a new mirror in my trunk. I ordered that from Amazon. Really no damage here. I can fix all this, and that's the video. That's the concept of this video. I graduated from UTI. I've always been working on cars my whole life, but I graduated from UTI and for collision repair, and something like this is easy. It's not really that hard. I'll probably just get a brand new fender. I'm not going to body work that. The door, if I can find cheap doors, I mean like $1.50 each, I'll just buy the door. So you figure $300 for the door. If I can find a used fender for about 75 bucks, that's about $375 for the whole thing. And then just to wrap it. I can go the body route, but I'm gonna probably spend about a good week because the car drives. I am gonna get an alignment, but I'm going to spend about a week trying to find as many parts as possible. And in doing so, you see I already found the mirror. So now I can drive. That came black. It was only 45 bucks. So can't really beat that. Let's get this focus here because I'm getting exposed, too exposed. So, yeah, so I want to find that and all the parts that I need. If I'm able to find, let's go ahead and look at the, the side mirror here. Let's go quick little unboxing. Oh crap! Okay, let's take this out. Let's put it on our trash. So aftermarket Brock Auto Parts. I think it was like 45 bucks or maybe 50. I don't know. I have Prime, so I just got it real quick. Okay, go right here. And it actually came fast a day early. I thought it was going to come later, but it came a day early. So as you see, my mirror over here is white. Got a little pearl in it. I don't know if you're able to see that in the light. There's a tad bit of pearl in it, but not much. Sometimes right here you can sort of see like the glimmer of the pearl. But I'm looking to get it, I want right here, that side, this part black. I'm definitely gonna shiny black the roof out. I don't know about the trunk yet. And then total, the rest of the car will be a bright pearl white. And then change the wheels. So I already started with this part. This came in today, so I said, what an opportunity to start the show, kind of the rebuild of my project, of my car. Let's go ahead, I don't care about that box. Go ahead, get this. Get it right here. Luckily, it's an easy process, as you see. You can get them painted. So like if I had a black car, this would be perfect, but I don't have a black car. So this is the generic color that it comes in, and then obviously you can scuff this and shoot it. I'm not really being too picky. I was going more for price because like I said, I'm gonna have everything wrapped. So this will be wrapped, everything here will be wrapped. My object is to just make the body work. As we go over here to the side, my object is to just make the body work as best as possible. That's it. As smooth as possible, then take the car to go get wrapped. Like I said, that will be brand new, the fender, so that's fine. I'm not tripping about that. The bumper is fine. I'm not worried about the bumper. It's really just the side impact. So if I find a door, I don't want to spend anything more than 150, 175 max on a brand new door. Not brand new, but like on a used door. So like they have a lot of, luckily I'm in a big city. So they have a lot of cars that are smashed on that side and perfect on the other side, on the driver's side, or vice versa. So I just got to find that, really do my research and figure that out. Today is unique because we are going to replace this. So on Carl's Garage, I am here to fix things. So this may look a lot worse than it really is. This wire was everything, just everything encompassed, but it plugs in here. So that's what we're gonna do. And you guys are gonna be with me, so let's go ahead and brighten this up because it is dark. Put this on my tripod. Manual focus. Let's bring this in. Make sure this is all the way brightened up. There we go. Probably one more. There we go. We'll keep it right there. This way, you guys, I'll put the focus on. And this is what we'll do. All right, guys. So I'm going to go get all the tools that I need, and I'll be right back.